So this week actually has been crazy hiring week at Post, and I think we took like more than 50 interviews in the week. But a lot of insights also what's happening in the industry, what exactly is the response from candidates. But one thing has stood out in common. That's actually about work culture. This has been a question I think asked by like 80% of candidates, that how is company work culture. Earlier when we used to do the same in 5 years ago, this was not like the P1 things that everyone was looking at. But today that stands out like the first question, and then the rest things follow after. This also gives me an idea that how important it is to actually now focus more and more on work culture and not just look at monetary benefits. So we are taking a lot of efforts actually, now that I think of this all content that we are shooting and everything actually starting making sense, because these all efforts are more inclined towards showing everyone that's watching this that how do we operate as a company, and it's not just a typical setup of like how it's for any other company. So yeah, I think we will also follow up with few reviews from our team. What does our team think actually about Horus, and how are we probably differentiating ourselves in terms of company work culture.
Hi, Shruti.
Hi, Sanya.
So, I wanted to quickly ask, how is the company culture at Hovers?
So I think the fact that what I really like about Hovers is the founders are very approachable. And not just being approachable, but also let's say you have a feedback, a suggestion, some changes, course corrections. You can always anytime go to them, let them know about it. And they take it really seriously. So you'll see it incorporated in like a week's time, which is great and which is what I love most.
Hey, hi, Ravati.
Hi, Sanya.
I quickly wanted to ask work culture at Hovers.
First of all, there's no micromanagement. You are being trusted with the work that you are given by your seniors, by the founders, and there is no intervention. There is no like constant monitoring, constant nagging. Nothing is there. The second thing which I would like to highlight is the flexibility in the timings. So as long as the work that you are doing is good and the KPIs are being a very plus point for me, as I complete the work in stipulated time and then kind of go home. I think these two things are really important for me. And who was an amazing place to work at. I would definitely recommend everyone to work.
Okay, hi, Joy. So, I quickly wanted to ask about work culture here at Hovers.
The work culture at Hovers is pretty amazing. What I love is that founders are quite active and they're involved in the work you do. So that's the best way to learn and grow here.
Thanks.
Yeah, well.